A refrigerator ice maker that stops producing ice can be frustrating, especially when you need ice at the last minute. If your ice maker is leaking, jamming, making unusual noises, or not making ice at all, the issue often lies in the assembly. The good news? Most common ice maker problems can be diagnosed and fixed with a few simple steps. Welcome to HnK Parts. In this video, we're walking you through a troubleshooting and replacement guide for the refrigerator ice maker assembly. Before you begin, always disconnect power to the refrigerator. Unplug it or switch off the breaker. This protects you from electrical shock and prevents accidental cycling. Start by checking the ice bin and freezer interior. Remove the ice bin and look for ice buildup or blockages. If ice is stacked or frozen in place, it can prevent proper operation. Try raising the metal shut-off arm and listen for a click. This tells you if the ice maker is receiving power and attempting to cycle. If there is no response, the assembly may be faulty. A common cause of slow or no ice production is low water pressure. Make sure the water line feeding the fridge is clear and fully open. If troubleshooting points to a failed unit, it's time to replace the assembly. Remove the mounting screws, gently pull the ice maker forward, and disconnect the wiring harness. Install the new ice maker assembly by reconnecting the harness and securing the screws. Once installed, restore power and allow the refrigerator to cycle. Give it a few hours to produce ice. Check for proper ice production and a secure fit. Replacing your refrigerator ice maker assembly can restore reliable ice production and prevent future issues. Shop the exact part at HnK Parts, link in the description. Visit hnkparts.com for dependable parts, great prices, and fast shipping across the USA. Follow us on social media for more repair tips. Like this video and subscribe for more easy appliance fixes. Thanks for watching.